See if we can make this thing run. Works connection this, and pro circuit that. Factory connection this. That's why you don't let them sit there. 8 years later, that's what the air filter looks like. It's no good. Got a uni. I want to lose track of your bolts. Pretty sweet. It's got pro circuit linkage. Pro circuit triple clamps. Pro circuit did the suspension. Missing a grip. No air filter. Titanium pro circuit exhaust. Got some fancy numbers on it. Works connection cap. Throttle feels good. Pretty sick bike. However, it is a Cowie, so it probably has chain adjusters that are probably frozen in there. I hope not. Probably. Looks like the chain hasn't been adjusted in a long time, or oiled or cleaned or anything else, but hopefully those come loose. Take a microfiber, clean up the fork tubes that are nasty. That side's clean, looks a lot better. Hopefully they don't leak still. Probably will though. Are you helping? Can you come here? Can you sit down? Thank you. Thank you. You're a good dog, huh? Got some fancy coating on the forks. Got a fancy rotor guard too. I'm not sure who decided to go with the green background with the black numbers. They should have went with the black background with yellow numbers. Vet beginner.
Yeah, it's not easy to watch.
People jumping off of it?
Yes.
I don't want to do any spoilers, but yeah.
They got nets now. Like Top Golf style nets.
Kicked and kicked and kicked. Can't get it to do anything. It's like it's not even getting fuel. Pull the fuel pump out and look at it. See what's up. I suspect this is why the fuel pump's not pumping. No good.